In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Combo 220 EMA and Bull Power in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have this combo indicator set up on your charts and ready to use as part of your trading routine. Start by opening up your TradingView chart the way you normally do for your analysis. Make sure you are logged into your account and you have a chart pulled up for the market or ticker you want to study. Once your chart is open, we're going to head straight to the indicators menu. You'll usually find this at the top of the screen labeled indicators or indicators and strategies. Go ahead and click that to open the indicators panel. When the indicators panel pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community script without scrolling through long lists. Click into that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now, in that search bar, carefully type Combo 2/20 EMA and Bull Power. Take your time to type it correctly so TradingView can find the exact script. As you type, you should see a list of matching results appear underneath. Look for the indicator that matches the name Combo 2/20 EMA and Bull Power. Once you see it, move your mouse over that result and click it. The moment you click, TradingView will automatically add this indicator to your current chart. You should now see the 2 and 20 period exponential moving averages overlaid on your price chart, along with the Bull Power component, usually displayed in a separate panel below the price. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that you clicked the correct item and that it's toggled on in your indicator list. Next, we're going to customize it. On your chart, find the name of the Combo 2/20 EMA and Bull Power indicator, usually shown at the top left of the chart or in the legend. Right next to that name, there will be a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Click that gear icon to open the settings window for this indicator. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like the colors and thickness of your 2 and 20 EMAs to make them easier to see, especially if you have a busy chart. You can also tweak how the Bull Power is displayed, so it stands out clearly under your price action. Take a moment to pick colors that contrast well with your background and line widths that are comfortable for your eyes. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click OK or Apply to save your changes. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want to follow along with the exact same tools, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That will give you access to the features needed to run combos like this smoothly and keep your charts clean and responsive. And that's it. You've added the Combo 2/20 EMA and Bull Power indicator to your TradingView Pro chart and customized it so it fits your trading style.